Brainfuse is an interactive database provided by Fort Bend County Libraries. There are three main sections to Brainfuse: the live homework help, the skill surfing, and the writing section. There are important points to remember about live homework help. Tutoring is available for grades K through early college, 7 days a week from 2 to 11 p.m. The subjects expand with the grade levels. In the upper right corner, you can click on English and you can choose Spanish. You will be connected to a Spanish-speaking tutor. You can also choose to have a session with audio. Tutors go through stringent background checks. All are in the United States, have four-year college degrees, and have backgrounds in their areas of tutoring. Logs are kept of all sessions and reviewed, and students can create an account to save sessions, tests, and writing submissions. This is the main page for Brainfuse. We are going to focus on the left-hand side where it says Expert Help. And there you'll find the live tutoring, the writing lab, and the SKILLSURFER. In the upper right corner is where you can see it says English, and you can change that to Spanish. And below that is where you can create an account. This is the home page for live tutoring. Here is where you can select your grade level and select your subject. You will also see on the right-hand side there's a message center. It's also where you can access your tests and past sessions. There is an interactive whiteboard where you interact with the tutor. You can do your problems, questions, and there's also a chat on the right-hand side. SKILLSURFER is skill-building sessions that can be done with a tutor independently. It focuses on skills for reading, writing, and math, and expands with grade-level practice tests for stars. It offers practice sessions on college entrance exams such as ACT, TOEFL, SAT, PSAT, and assists you with college applications process. There's AP practice exams, ASVAB, nursing school practice exams, and adult learner computer practice sessions and tests. This is the main page for SKILLSURFER, and as you see, they have the stars broken down to grades 3 through 8 and also for high school. There is lower elementary and upper elementary, middle school and high school skill building sessions. This is an example of what an upper elementary school homepage would look like. As you see, you've got your reading, writing, and math, science, and social studies. This is an example if you would click on upper elementary grade 3 math. In the upper part is all the different math practice tests. The lower part goes into more specific concepts that you might need work on. As we talked about earlier, as you go up through the grade levels, your subject areas will increase. The writing lab is the section where students can submit papers to trained writing instructors at any time, receive feedback and constructive comments within 24 hours. You can also submit resumes. Papers must be submitted individually, no classes and no groups. There are other Brainfuse resources that are available to you. The Language Lab will connect you with a tutor to help with Spanish language classes. Flashball provides sets of flashcards in a variety of subjects to help you study for tests. Adult learners can practice and review for high school equivalency exams, citizenship tests, computer skills, career resources, and resume writing. A new feature Brainfuse has added is chess strategy. There are apps also available in the App Store and Google Play. Thank you for watching and learning about our homework help database Brainfuse. If you want to use Brainfuse or other online resources, please go to the library website at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us. Thank you.